All right, must-have products every garage needs. Let's go over these, Nick. This is a lineup here everybody should get. Got to start washing the car. You're going foam wash.
Yeah, I'm going foam wash, and it really is basic to me. This is an all-around pH neutral soap. Really, really great lubricity, simple to use, won't soap spot, water spot, those types of things that people talk about with soaps. And a great, versatile soap that you can feel comfortable using. I think it's a no-brainer. We have other soaps in our lineup, but this is the great must-have. Again, we're kind of coming at this from, there's a lot of confusion. You know, do I need all this? Do I need all this? These are the basics. You have to have these to really do a complete job just maintaining your vehicle. So foam wash would be the first one on the list.
Yeah, I love foam wash for that too. The ease of use while I'm doing it. We talk about, you know, when we get to the levels of lubricity and why you need it, I go just love lubricity for going out every week or so. And yeah, just washing, I enjoy the process with foam wash. Good call. I like the way too the foam feels.
Yeah.
It's a good feel to the
smells
soap.
good, easy to use.
Absolutely, right?
Next,
absolutely.
Tires and wheels, right? Or, you know, TRX, okay? We could add other products here, but this is a great, versatile, clean all rubbers, clean plastics. We got, you know, we're in the middle working on this Toyota FJ, plastics everywhere, big underbody stuff to hit. TRX is a great general purpose. Hey, I need a wheel, tire, I need fender wells, I need, you know, the bottom of my car, I need some power, and I need it safely. TRX to me is the no-brainer. And I think this is probably the most versatile product in our lineup. You can use it for so many things, and tire, rubber, you know, all trim. It's a great cleanup.
Very dilutable. Yes. Spray bottle, it's gonna come ready to use. Get the gallon, you can dilute it.
And let's say this is TRX diluted. So this is our 32-ounce bottle. You were talking about diluting TRX. We sell these 32s with a gray sprayer by the gallon. You're going to use a lot of it. You're going to use it to clean up a lot of things. Then you can dilute it the way you want, right? 4-to-1, 3-to-1, 2-to-1, 1-to-1 straight. Everything's pretty safe. So I guess a must-have, I would put 32-ounce bottles on there. I would. If you really love your car, you're going to maintain it. Try everything with the 16s, but 32-ounce bottle would also be something I would look into.
Good call. All right, we've washed the car, and we're ready to put a little protection on. And hey, you know, it's a great one. Must have.
Yeah, so we have, this product's called Spray Coat. Very simple. Spray on when the car's wet, rinse it off, and you have instant protection. Okay, the reason that this would be a must-have for me, some people are not comfortable with a spray on and wipe down. They get results, they're just getting their start. This is essentially user proof, right? Just go and mist it over the car. When you're finished detailing it out, give it one final rinse and you have instant protection. So I'd probably pick this as a must-have over any other product because of the ease of use and because when things are easy to use, we're all more likely to use them.
And when we talk about easy to use, creating an easy to dry moment.
Yeah, for sure.
Spray Coat does, right? I get to put, and as much as I want on, I want more and get more onto the vehicle, add more protection, I can spray more. Puts the control in my hands, you know?
And I would say, especially if you're using it for the first time, any of these spray and rinse products, lay it on there, okay? Get your first coat on there, and then when you start doing it weekly, you can kind of cut back a little bit.
All right, so probably the hidden gem in our in our world of hyperCLEAN, you know, made here in America, car care products, glass cleaner. Why would glass cleaner for us? This is always a crazy one. Why would we hang our hat on glass cleaner?
Well, if you detail enough cars, I think you know the pain, right? I mean, you started out, you know, people were using baby diapers. People were using Huck towels. People were using newspaper and foaming, you know, glass cleaners. I mean, we've been through the ringer. And we also know that if you're somebody at home, glass, I hear this from family and friends all the time until they order this and they're like, okay, I see what you're saying. We get comments at SEMA. We have people walking up to us at the biggest car show in the world and saying, how'd you guys do it? This is a hidden gem because we spent the time. Just a run-of-the-mill glass cleaner doesn't help anybody, right? There's a million of them out there. Also, the things that we solved in this weren't just streak-free glass. It was how not to leave lint behind by using the formula We also have a glass towel that we've matched with this called the Perfect Glass Towel. This was really a well thought out thing.
Listen, it's also how not to get angry at the end of your detail,
100%,
right?
100%.
How to enjoy the rest of the finish as you go.
Yeah.
No longer have to fight glass cleaning, which most of us get to that point, and let's be honest, come on.
Yeah.
Most of us fight the time when it comes to glass clean, and we can go, well, there's this theory, there's this, and there's all these different ways. There is.
Yeah.
And at the end, most of us are fighting.
Yeah.
You know, take that fight out of it. A must-have. Definitely get the glass cleaner. Listen, tire shine is a no-brainer, of course. You must have tire shine, whether you go at the low sheen to all the way to the high sheen. But we're seeing quotes inside of hyperCLEAN Specialist Group on Facebook. Go over there. You'll see quotes saying, infinite shine is sent by the gods.
Yeah, this is, so tire shine and tire dressing is a little bit confusing to people. You hear people say a lot of things, make a lot of, claims that they don't understand. The important thing about infinite shine is it's long lasting. It is going to leave a in between matte and sheen, right? So there's a line that you cross there where you can go into this is total shine, right? And there comes some risk with that. You get really high shine, tire shine, it's more likely to sling. When it slings, it can make some ugly messes on your car. So how do you get something to actually soak in, provide some protection, and provide durability? And Infinite Shine has quickly become probably my favorite product on tires. It's easy to spray onto an applicator, onto a brush, or directly onto the tire, especially on something like this, that it just makes your life easier. And this is a product that I really come around on, and that's why it would be my recommendation for a must-have in your garage.
Mm-hmm. Must-have products. Listen, these are great to talk through everything. So go ahead and click subscribe, click like. You're loving this content. It's great stuff. So when we're thinking of, and a lot of us, right, have this side, how do I get on some type of maintained schedule? It's a common asked question. Like, what do I need to do weekly? What should I do? A definite must-have product, and to stay on a schedule to keeping your interior clean, absolutely. Can you do it with wet wipes? No, you can't.
We just had this, you're bringing this up because we just had this conversation with a customer. I want to point out, if you don't think we actually detail, check out Marty's arm here on the underneath. We've been detailing all day, so I want you guys to know that we really do not only test our products, but we're actually in here detailing. This is a must-have, right? We have gotten to a place with interior cleaning. You brought up wipes. I don't know when the wipe thing went crazy. Do not use anything in a wipe format on your interior. First of all, you have no idea the amount of alcohols and things that keep those wipes alive that just start eating away at your interior. Plus, they always leave that touch behind where you're like, why is everything sticky? Revive. This was a pet project of mine, and I'll take that on me. I put us through the ringer trying to get this right. Not a heavy smell. So if you have allergies or you don't want to get in your car and smell, like a Tahitian bar, this is the product for you, okay? This will leave everything the way the factory brought it to you, okay? I don't care if it's a used car, a new car, plastics, leathers, they're supposed to look a certain way. They're manufactured a certain way, and Revive gets you back to that just nice satin clean. The one word that we get with Revive that we just got from a car we did yesterday is clean. I know that sounds simple, but you and I talk about this all the time. A lot of people get in their car and don't know what clean is. Not because they're a dirty person, but because of the products they've used. When you use this product for the first time, what you're going to notice is a level of clean, the smell clean, the feel clean, every surface is just spotless, and you can use this on infotainment systems, you can use it on piano black trim, all the different surfaces. This is a really important product. Don't overlook your interior by just saying a product is a product. This is to me, the compliments we get when we use it at my business in Las Vegas, when we use it on stuff we do here together, the things you hear, the things we hear in a specialist group. I think this product right here leaves a cleanliness that very few ever experience.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, most people, and this is what's interesting, is they want to know, right? They'll go on Google to type in, what detail brushes do I use when I detail? What detail brushes do I use? A question that we see a lot also coming back to us is, What towels do I use on my interior? What towel do I use when I'm cleaning glass? What towel do I use when I'm cleaning off my black wheels, right?
Yeah.
What towel, what towel, what towel? The best name for the towel that we came up with, because it is so versatile to use, is the hyperCLEAN Versatile.
Man, I've struggled with towels in my career, and I still think there's a struggle out there, right? Even with all the technology and so many companies diving into it, very few build high quality towels. So we've had to really piece together our lineup from a lot of different sources to find, and this towel sticks out. I want people to understand, when you hear high GSM, you know, it's a buzzword in this world of towels, which it's kind of at times can be a bogus marketing claim, is they usually have very long fibers. And those fibers are not very easy to work with, right? You have to almost wash those things like 10 times to get them workable.
Not working with, because then when you're rubbing, sometimes they'll just lint.
Yeah, they lint everywhere, they fold over on themselves. So this is a very high GSM towel, which makes it ultra safe on interiors, paints, black piano trim, coatings, you know, spray on products. That's why we call it the Versatile. It's so versatile. But the thing I like is it's very dense. It's not long fibers, but its GSM is about density, the amount it can hold up to. You could use this if you just did nothing but buy our Versatiles, then by all means, you'd be fine. You could use it on every part of the car, and I think these are a no-brainer.
Absolutely. So if you're looking for top products to get in your home, in your garage, in your business, top products for car detailing, this is your ultimate guide.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for watching. You can support American-made car care by shopping at hypercleanstore.com.